Hi viewers, welcome back. Today again come up with a very informative video, and today's video is about this skid steer loader of a Bobcat. Problem of this steel loader is that starting okay, but after starting it become off automatically within a 1 or 2 minutes. I show you first. I show you, then I let you, and then after I will try to diagnose what is the issue, what is the problem. Is now I am inside the cabin, so I'm going to on the machine. Okay, so let's see. So now machine is on position. So here you can see the code is coming L7404, and also one is coming reply. Only this is coming. Also you can see this warning is coming. Okay, so now I'm going to start the machine. Okay, so now the loader is started. Okay, you can hear the sound. Now I'm going outside and show you what is the issue. So here you can, so just I came outside, says automatically become off. So just once again I will start it. So loader has started. Now I come outside, you can see it will automatically will off, and these headlights become lights up. So how much time it will take, you can see. So after 1 minute, sometime 2 minutes, but it stop automatically. Still it's start in starting position. So you can see it's become off automatically. So this lights are lights up. Now machine is automatically become stop. So now I'm going to check. The code is coming L7404. So here you can see I have lifted up this cabin because I'm now going to check the harness, because the error which is coming L7404, it tells us this communication errors between the display and the controller. So maybe the somewhere is a wire is broken or short, therefore this error is coming, and our machine is again and become off after starting within a 1 or 2 minutes. So you can see we have found the problem. Actually problem, these wires are broken from the connectors, and that connector is going to the controller. This one is a connector. Okay, and these wires are broken. And why this wire broken? Because this is a rust inside this connector, and these connector pins are broken. Okay, you can see the pins are inside. I found there was too much rust inside this connector, and due to this rust the wires are broken. And this one is a controller. Okay, this controller. Okay, and due to the problem wire is broken, our controller is not communicating with the rest part of the machine. So this you can see this connector is fully rusted. Okay, so now we are going to repair this wire. After it we will check our machine. So now I am going to repair. So I will remove the old pins and fix a new pin and repair the wires. So this time I don't have new pins, so I have removed some pins from another connectors, and I fixing that pins in this connector, and also I will soldering the wire. Okay, so you can see I have want to solder it, and after it I will uh, protect this soldering wire by putting the protection sheet on it. So now I have repaired the harness. Now I fixing back this connector to the controller and will test the machine. Now I have fixed back this controller and also all parts which we removed during the harness, and now I am going to test the machine. Now I am putting down the cabin because this cabin we have lifted up for repairing the harness. Now I have finished the work and put down the cabin. So viewers, now we have fixed all the things back and we repaired the wires. Now I'm inside the cabin and going to test the machine, going to on it. So this is my key switch on. I'm going to now machine is, as you can see, now it displays appeared. Now everything you can hear. Okay, so display is coming. Now I'm going to start the machine. So machine is started. So viewers, you can see, so now display is coming, everything is okay. Okay, this button is checking the code. So it's checking the code. This is RPM. Press again. This is battery voltage. I check it again. No, is none. So there is no voltage, not any error code is coming, none error code. So no error code is coming. So it means my fault has gone. So now machine is okay. I start it. So now I leave it as it is. I check it at almost 1 minute, 2 minutes. So I'm going outside and checking machine is I think is now no, not any code is coming. Now machine is okay. Now time is almost now 6 o'clock evening time. So we have finished the work. So problem was only there was broken the wires. So as you see, I have repaired the machines. If you like this video, so please give a like. When you give a like, this video will further reach to the next viewers.